Hey everybody, Mark with Flatwoods Bee Farm. Started my summer splits today, and just out of precaution, I went ahead and put my robber screens on. You got to remember, this is June 3rd. We still should have 2 weeks of flow left. Not much, but a little bit. But it's a good thing I put my robber screens on. Looky here. That's robin starting. So that's a robber screen design that I found on in Bee Culture magazine. I'll post a link to it here in the video. Works great, and you can see what's going on. You see the hole in the nuke, and the robber bees. The reason I know the robber bees is they see the hole, but they can't figure out how to get to it. They don't know that you can come in the sides. There's openings in both sides to get in. The only ones that know that are the bees who live in this colony. So that's how it works. That's the whole gist of the robber screen. Of course, I got popsicle sticks under the inner cover right there, or the migratory cover. So that's why those bees are doing that. But it's a good thing I put that thing on there, or we'd have had problems. So just letting you know, I'm here in Locust, North Carolina, June 3rd, and y'all watch your bees, because robin's already starting. All right, hope y'all having a great day. I kinda am. We'll see you.